Welcome to a quick review on Box. Before we start, there is a link to Box in the description so you can give it a try after this video. So what is Box? Box is a cloud-based file sharing and content management platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers a secure way to store, share, and collaborate on files, making it a popular choice for teams and individuals needing reliable online file storage. We're going to be talking about some of the key features. Box provides robust security features with advanced encryption and access controls, keeping your files safe and protected. Collaborative spaces. You can create shared workspaces for teams to easily collaborate on projects, share files, and track progress. Version control. Never lose track of changes with Box's version control feature, allowing you to revert to previous file versions. It also has a powerful file sharing feature, so you can share files securely with anyone inside or outside your organization with customizable permissions. Another feature is the integration with other apps, so you can seamlessly integrate Box with your favorite apps like Google, Microsoft, and Slack for a streamlined workflow. You also have the e-signature capabilities, where you can sign in and manage documents electronically directly within the Box platform. Now, as with any software or service, there are pros and cons. We like the fact that Box has a strong security. Box emphasizes security with advanced features like encryption and two-factor authentication. The collaboration features is another pro, where it makes it easy for teams to work together on projects with shared folders and real-time editing. And when it comes to mobile accessibility, you can access your files anytime, anywhere with Box mobile app. And as we mentioned earlier with integrations, you can seamlessly connect with other popular apps, creating a unified workflow. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about pricing. Now under pricing, you have individuals and teams, and you have businesses. Now whether you're choosing for individuals and teams or for businesses, you have the option to pay monthly or annually. However, annually you can save 25% on any plan. Now starting with the free plan, this gives you about 10 GB of storage. The paid plans do start at about $11.50 per month and offer more storage and advanced features and additional collaboration tools, as you can see from some of the options right here. In conclusion, we can say that Box is a robust file sharing and content management platform ideal for businesses looking for a secure and collaborative solution. Its strong security features, integrations, and collaborative tools make it a powerful choice for teamwork. However, it's important to consider the pricing and features carefully to ensure it fits with your specific needs. As mentioned, you will find a link to Box in the description below. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and click in the link to try Box for yourself. And do let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.